Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record Teams meeting step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Navigate to the calendar section on the left sidebar. Find the meeting you want to record. Click on the meeting to open its details. Join the meeting at the scheduled time. Once in the meeting, locate the meeting controls at the bottom of the screen. Look for the More Actions button, represented by 3 dots. Click on More Actions to open a drop-down menu. Select the Start Recording option from the menu. You will see a notification that the recording has started. All participants will also be notified that the meeting is being recorded. During the meeting, you can pause or stop the recording by returning to More Actions. To stop the recording, click on Stop Recording from the drop-down menu. After stopping the recording, it will automatically be processed and saved. You will receive a notification once the recording is available. To access the recording later, go to the chat for the meeting. Find the recording link in the chat history. Click on the link to view or share the recording. Ensure you have the right permissions to access and share the recording. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.